Hello there. If I want a label printed for something, I used to use this, but unfortunately the other day it gave up. It's box standard label printer, and it has, well, it uses 4 AAA batteries that go in there. But as I say, unfortunately this one's given up after about 5 years. So I looked around and I got this instead. It's a Dymo one. Does pretty much the same thing. Turn it on. Yes, it's got the date on it. That's when I actually got it the other day. This one also has the ability to store the date and time in it. No idea why you might want to use it, but it's a thing you can use. It's relatively simple. It's got a function key here. You scroll through everything, what you want to have a look at, and then you go OK when you found it. I'm not going to go through the whole lot, it's too long and boring. And settings, change the font size, 1 line, 2 lines, all sorts. But the other thing is that this one can have 4 AA batteries in it. The tapes, if you will, that actually for printing go in here at the top. They're actually available in a variety of different tapes. I'll show them. The one that comes with it as standard is this one. The tell you what, let's stop there and zoom in for you. There's this one, white paper, but there's also this one here, white plastic. There's paper white, but there's also this one, yellow, and there's this one, green plastic. Let's print something out in all of them for you. Here we are. I've stuck them down on the tablet because when they come out, obviously they bend slightly. Yes, seems perfectly fine to me. I did try writing on them with an indelible pen to see what happens, and the coloured ones, very hard to write on them. Although I have it, you can feel the pen sliding. But the other three, the white, paper white, plastic white, and white plastic, seem no problem. Overall, I quite like the label maker, and if you want to guess how much, I'll give you a clue. It comes from eBay. £24, and as usual,